Flowline Specialists is an experienced and well-respected independent company that designs, engineers, manufactures and supplies cost-effective solutions to safely and efficiently handle flexible pipes, umbilicals and cables onshore and offshore. Headquartered in Scotland, we have overseas bases in Dubai and the Netherlands, and possess 2 decades of experience supporting clients around the world across the energy sectors. We have assisted pioneering marine renewable energy projects off the coasts of Canada, France and the United Kingdom, managed quayside cable loadouts, deployed and recovered cables and umbilicals subsea across the globe, delivered surf cable lay projects, and decommissioned flow lines and umbilicals for oil and gas operators. Our fleet of equipment is manufactured in-house in the United Kingdom by a skilled design and fabrication team. And with that engineering expertise, we can modify and build equipment to suit unique projects. Our equipment features a modular design, enabling ease of transportation and rapid deployment around the world, where it is commissioned and operated by our expert team of in-house technicians. With an array of equipment, from subsea deployment frames to 350-ton under rollers, we can meet your transpooling needs. We are experienced in loading and unloading cable carousels and have developed specialised tools to assist with cable packing. Our fleet of equipment can assist with offshore cable deployment and recovery projects. And it is thanks to that varied fleet that some of the biggest names in manufacturing trust our equipment and experience to safely load product from the quayside onto a vessel. When cables and umbilicals reach the end of their operational life, we can assist with their recovery and decommissioning. Our range of equipment includes reel drive systems capable of lifting and rotating reels up to 300 tons, twin-track tensioner systems from 5-ton to 15-ton capacity, bow cable engines suitable for the controlled handling of flexible pipe, umbilicals and cables, a range of under rollers designed to handle and manoeuvre reels up to 350 tons in capacity, our unique reel carrier which can lift, turn and transport reels on the quayside without the need for expensive craneage, modular shaft drive spoolers that can be easily modified to suit any size of reel, a range of hydraulic cutting shears for processing decommissioned umbilicals, cables, pipes and flexibles into manageable lengths, overboard chutes to support the safe deployment of umbilicals, flexibles and cables, various turntables and pallets of different capacities, including those suitable for use subsea, linear cable engines for handling products between 20mm and 325mm diameter, and versatile and robust air-driven wire storage drum or hose deployment winches. We can also provide a range of additional equipment which includes various sizes of reels up to 9.8 metres in diameter, roller boxes and hydraulic power packs. For more information on Flowline Specialists, visit flowlinespecialists.com or follow us on social media.